go.
Alright, it's the start of our road trip, and this time we have the children with us. There they are.
Yay.
Hey kids. So where are we going today, kids?
We're going to see Egg.
Going to see Egg.
Yes.
Yeah.
And hopefully Egg's got a little bit more fluff on him, her, this time. So I don't know if it's a he or she. It's a baldy parrot, was a baldy parrot. So we'll see. So we'll update you shortly. Rabbit chair, isn't it? Yay! Look at the colours.
They're so beautiful, aren't they?
So sit down, kids.
Yeah, there's a Major Mitchell's cockatoo in there. Oh, are there?
They got funny. They don't look happy to see me.
They're a bit stroppy.
Yeah.
Where are you off to?
What are you doing? You jealous? Pour one at the back. What are you doing at the back? What
Yeah, do you want to say hello?
are you doing at the back?
Hello, little
You
one.
left out, neglected.
Hello.
You've
Aw,
got loads of pin feathers around your neck.
it's alright. I'm not
What are
gonna...
you doing around there?
Hello. Where are you off to? And they're like, where's he gone?
So what do you think, kids? Now you've met the Egg, which is this one over here on the left.
This one.
Yeah. So what do you think?
I like him.
Yeah.
Hello.
Very, very cute. Very placid.
Oh, that's
They're going to be out
nice.
all the time. That's a really good tip, isn't it, to get them away from their cage.
Yeah.
The cage is their home. That's where the territory over.
Yeah.
Put them away. That's what's been Murdoch's problem.
Yeah, because
Usually is.
Murdoch sits on top of me, don't let anyone come near, does he?
I like the fact you can just cuddle them and turn them upside down. They'll go to sleep. That's what I'm going to do. Be working with it, be upside down my lap.
Be tearing your office furniture apart.
I'm going to have one of those in the office. Just put the newspaper down. Behind me.
Hello.
Is that nice?
What's he doing?
Oh, falling asleep. Loves that. Look.
Yeah.
And the sweet spot.
Oh, he's doing a bit more movement. He's come awake.
And awake again.